You've probably been told that shall is just a fancy way to say will, right? Well, not exactly. Using them the wrong way can actually change the meaning of your sentence or make you sound overly formal or even confusing. Let's fix that. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the difference between shall and will. We'll keep it simple, practical, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use both without sounding like a 19th century novel. Part 1, to express simple future. Let's start with just talking about the future, plain and simple. Now, here's the classic rule. Use shall with I and we. Use will with you, he, she, it, and they. For example, I shall call you tomorrow. We shall leave in the morning. But he will arrive at noon. You'll find the keys on the table. But honestly, and this is important, most modern English speakers just use will for all people, for all persons. So in casual conversation, it's perfectly fine to say, I will call you tomorrow. That's what most native speakers do. Part 2, to express determination, promises, or strong intention. This is where shall becomes powerful and a little tricky. When you want to express something more than just the future, like a decision, a command, or a strong intention. Shall takes on extra meaning here. Here's how that works. If I say I will go, it just means I'm planning to go. But if I say I shall go, now it sounds more determined, like I've made up my mind or I'm committing to it. Now flip it around. If I say you will go out if you behave, it's a simple statement. But if I say you shall go out if you behave, now it sounds like a decision or a promise, like I'm granting permission to someone. Same with the third person. He shall go to that school. That sounds like a definite decision someone has made for him. Not just a guess about the future, you know? So the rule here is use shall in the second and third person if you want to give an order, a command, or a promise, or make something official. Use shall in the first person if you want to show determination. To sum it up, if you just mean the future, use will. It's standard and safe for all persons. If you want to sound determined or authoritative, mix in shall as needed. And yes, this still shows up in legal documents and formal writing, so it's good to understand. Now, if that helped clear up the whole shall versus will situation, hit that like button down there and also subscribe for more grammar that actually makes sense. And hey, drop a comment down below in the comment section if there's another confusing pair or of words you want to break down. See you in the next video.